Hey guys, welcome back to Late Night Cooking with Aníbal. Today I'm going to have the beautiful, spicy.
Yeah. Yeah. Look.
So yeah,
Down low, up top.
Yo,
we are here in Madrid, checking the situation.
it was a night
Yes,
outstairs with Aníbal kitchen. You know how we do. Right now we're just chilling. Check out the YouTube channel. This is a real deal. Aníbal's kitchen.
you know the situation. I've been not making any video because I've been in Madrid the last 10 days, so I have to, get set.
Wait up, people. You'll be here in right a second. Let him set.
Gotta do but yo, I need the bag first. This system with me way before my bachelors. They with me, yo, they say I need a master's. They must have never heard me rap, that's a fact word. The system got me on my back, what's the answer? Down low, up top, on my way to the bag, at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head Okay. Yeah. Look, yeah. Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. I see a flip, I make a flip. I'm a hustler, I just hit a lick. This that double shift, this that overtime. I'm on my job, player, you know I was born to grind. It's for my people standing up until they back hurt. It's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir. My minimum wage and all my cash clerks. It's I gotta do, but yo, I need the bag first. This system with me way before my bachelors. They with me, yo, they say I need a master's. They must have never heard me rap, that's a fact word. The system got me on my back, what's the answer? Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. Up, son, I'm out. I don't wanna breathe, I just wanna pass out. Reaping what I sowed, that's what I'm doing, cousin. Keeping to my owns, not how I'm moving, cousin. Black Emperor, open the cash register. Running sales back to back peddlers. How can I help you? How can I shelf you? Dealt with wealth, please help yourself, boo. You hear the way how I be rocking on the beat. I'm a rock star. Boy, I rock it to sleep. I'm a lead from the seasons I spent on my fucking job. And I signed a deal, I just sold that to God. Hey, look, down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. Down low, up top. Okay, up top. Okay, down low, up top. Okay, yeah. Look, yeah. Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. I see a flip, I make a flip. I'm a hustler, I just hit a lick. This that double shift, this that overtime. I'm on my job, player, you know I was born to grind. It's for my people standing up until they back hurt. It's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir. My minimum wage and all my cash clerks. It's I gotta do, but yo, I need the bag first. This system with me way before my bachelors. They with me, yo, they say I need a master's. They must have never heard me rap, that's a fact word. The system got me on my back, what's the answer? Down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. Up, son, I'm out. I don't wanna breathe, I just wanna pass out. Reaping what I sowed, that's what I'm doing, cousin. Keeping to my owns, not how I'm moving, cousin. Black Emperor, open the cash register. Running sales back to back peddlers. How can I help you? How can I shelf you? Dealt with wealth, please help yourself, boo. You hear the way how I be rocking on the beat. I'm a rock star. Boy, I rock it to sleep. I'm a lead from the seasons I spent on my fucking job. And I signed a deal, I just sold that to God. Hey. Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. Down low, up top. Okay, up top. Okay, down low, up top.
I spend my Mondays like Fridays. I spend my Fridays in a box with my heart on my whining. I put my pinings on pedestals till they keeping them grounded. What's that mountain to nothing? Let's make something from nada. Let's go to Gucci and Prada. Set the buildings on fire. Screaming death to designer while we listen to ponder. I'm on a grown man, baby face, kind of a tantrum. Spreading like cancer did, and my father's skeleton. Damn, front ain't sad that he come while I'm crying to help with him. I ain't good at embellishing, I'm more better with medicine than a spoonful of sugar. Watching everything go down, that's a long way. Pray that I never see the ground. A long day, I swear there's a better me around. Just gotta grab it, this is magic, this is switch from lost and found. Make my baggage do a backflip, stick the land and hit the town. With my homie smoking spliffs until our lungs burst. We some songbirds who made our way out of the cage. We all some dumb nerds, probably should get to acting our age. But where's the fun in that? We going fishing for dreams that kept intact. Skipping plans, playing hooky on school days. You make your place in the world, don't let them try to tell you otherwise. This is it. Life's like a party out with Pennywise. That's a stroke of my ego out the tip of a fountain. Pen me in, swear to God I love a box break out of. Come around the mountain, I'ma run straight through it. This be some Grey Buick music, like a budget be cooler than ballin' out when the economy fruitless and the ecosystem nervous, like a school full of shooters. Keep it all on the loop, like a rapper producer. God watch it and he laughing like it's all a big joke. Maybe that's the way to tackle all this hardship on the road of life. Like if something isn't going right, well then that's the way it goes. Don't need a hook for this sermon. I think these words are too perfect. If you seen trauma and heartbreak, best you give it a purpose. If you try, then it's worth it. Truth is, life is uncertain. Looking through all of the curtains, I see the all of a person. Happy days, we deserve them. Just know that karma is certain. This one's for Soda and Loma. Hope you know both of you perfect. Look past the moment on surface and see the beauty behind. There's always something new to offer, but usually blinders. So put your blinders to the BS. Get to running your hardest. Get your excuses in target. Pull the trigger, they dead. Listen to the voice that tell you no in your head. This is sprint through the rat race. A little bit of past days, self-worth inside a passage while we hanging with Greg. Hope you take this call for action in this EP about relaxing. Know the truth is for everybody, somebody there. And that love that exists everywhere. All you need to do, grab it. With every part of your tragic comes a lining of platinum. If your passion is there, so get your pain, yeah. Throw it all in the air and let it hang.
bag, I'm racing the clock. Look at them block, watching them flop. Used to see this in my sleep when I ain't had put my thoughts in the car. I really was lost. Now I'm public with the soundscapes. Floss, I'm really pulling strings for the pound cake. I see you went for a puppet in the clown face for a little wage. The talk of the town is late. Still me, I never switch sides. Came a long way with the gas tank running on fumes. Wonder why you full on the envy. When it's all love, when I fall through with the young bulls, getting niggas a kidney, but you ain't mob, you a op. Must be lost in the sauce. Been here for the art and the jump start. Wanted this is mom packed the lunchbox with the Kool-Aid jammers. And I'm still throwing tantrum. I'm set to roam around the planet where they know the songs and they chant them. The vision turned into fruition. I'm really liking how it's panning. They call me collector, you thought I planned it. Been crazy, then it fell into place. Now everything's stable. I'm all in on the table. You selling that fable, we know that it's made up. We know what you made of. I do better offline, yeah. I've been calling to a guy. I'm in tune with the signs. I'm just trying to let go. I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to do fine. Yeah. Moon landed with the elevation. Armstrong with the levitation. My third eye needed calibration. That was heat rock when I notated. I've been going crazy. Stone face when I kill beat, leaving no trace on location. Premeditated, ayy. Can't even be still for like more than a minute. The way that they play out, I don't wanna miss. I don't know part of this shit. Feel like I'm deep in the plot of a flick, and I'm the star of this shit. And I've been playing my part since back when we started this shit. Feeling charged, got a little coin on me, and I sauce with the nits. I'm a boss, I'm a prick. With the cold showed up in the road doja in the fourth quarter, no assist. And the form's hella crisp. I'm the calm in a storm. I took my own struggle when I flipped it. And the hustle been legitimate. It's so many blessings, I might be allergic. How I move, they treating the sound like I'm stirring. I'm working the pot till it's firm. I serve like Serena.
Okay guys, Madrid, 3 o'clock in the morning. Food is ready to eat. Madrid, 4 o'clock in the morning, whatever it is. Food ready. Let's try the shit. Delicious.